Welcome to this presentation on the Ishikawa Diagram, a powerful tool for identifying and analyzing the root causes of problems. The Ishikawa Diagram, also known as the Fishbone Diagram, is a visualization tool used to explore potential causes of a problem. It helps illustrate the relationship between an effect, the problem, and its possible causes. It provides a structured, systematic approach to problem solving and analysis. Often, we only address the symptoms of a problem, leading it to resurface later. We spend time, money, and energy fighting symptoms instead of root causes. Therefore, a systematic approach is needed to tackle the root causes. The Ishikawa Diagram is a universal tool applicable to any field or industry. It can be used in production, service, IT, and even personal life. Let's look at the anatomy of an Ishikawa, or fishbone, diagram. It has a head representing the problem, a spine, and bones representing categories and causes. It was invented by Kaoru Ishikawa and is used to visualize all possible causes of a problem. Main categories help structure the brainstorming of potential causes. Common categories include 6M for production and 4P for service, but adapt to your problem. Categories guide brainstorming, making it more organized and comprehensive. Here are the steps to construct an Ishikawa diagram. First, define the problem clearly. Then, draw the head and spine of the diagram. Next, add main categories and brainstorm specific causes for each. Finally, analyze the diagram to find the root causes of the problem. Let's consider a case. Customer dissatisfaction with coffee quality in a coffee shop. We analyze causes in people, equipment, materials, and process. Now let's do a workshop. Analyze the problem of being always late. Define your categories and name reasons in each. Think about subcauses. Let's analyze and reflect on the use of the Ishikawa diagram. It's useful for complex problems. Limitations exist. How to find the root cause and ensure effective brainstorming. Use the 5 whys method to dig deeper and find the root cause. In summary, the Ishikawa diagram is a powerful tool for system analysis. It helps visualize causes, find the root, promotes teamwork, and leads to effective solutions. Now it's your turn. Try using the Ishikawa diagram for a problem. Choose a small problem, draw your fishbone, find 1 to 2 deepest causes, and share.